Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Subway Surfer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Subway Surfer application and from the main home page, tap the settings or the gear button at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see a sign out button popping up if you've logged in using your Apple ID. Tap on the sign out button and you'll be disconnected from Apple. To log in back again, you can easily tap on the sign in button and follow the prompts till the end. That is how you can easily sign out or log out of Subway Surfer on your iOS device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.